Things from Amazon that just save space. Okay, so starting off hot, we have my pots and pans set. I can store it like bowls because it has a removable handle. It pops on and off everything. It was a set of 4 and it's still really sturdy, can hold a lot, use it daily. Then, not as exciting, but there was this pack of 2 collapsible colanders, definitely saves space in my cabinet. My dish drying rack has a little spout for the water to go into the sink, and it was very hard to collapse this with one hand, but it is also collapsible. Okay, you guessed it, another collapsible thing. This is my laundry basket. Couldn't collapse it on camera, but I just throw it in my closet, all good. This adhesive paper towel rack is really great with counter space. And then another great counter space is this sponge caddy. All you have to do is press it down and it pumps the soap out for you. And then this set, maybe it's a little large, but it has like a peeler, can opener, scissors, measuring cups, measuring spoons, everything you need. I think it's great. And then this I actually got from Etsy. Here is the store, but it's a really cute magnetic spice rack. I love it. All links are in my bio.